And I'm Joe. I'm a car seat technician, and basically what I do is I help families to make sure that they've got their kids as protected as possible. Brandon, if you could, turn the camera so I can see the baby. That's Carmela, eh? Normally when we're doing a car seat check, I'm there with you. So I can touch the car seat and I can check to make sure the harnesses are tight and that it's installed tightly in the car. So Brandon, I'm going to ask you to be my eyes and my ears and kind of move the camera around so I can see. And Dominique, you're my hands. Can you grab any harness between your fingers?
Yeah, just a little bit, yes.
Make sure that those harnesses are snug and flat on Carmela. The chest clip is right at the center of her chest, and that's what we like to see. She's also facing the right direction. You're doing a beautiful job. She's facing the back of the car. So where your left hand is, there should be a red release button on the top of that. That release button is supposed to be out. It's supposed to be flipped around so it's facing toward me. Now let's double check it, Brandon, and just make sure everything is tight. So make sure that Carmela is tight in the car seat and make sure that the car seat is tight in the car.
Doing the side-to-side test.
Yeah.
Good to go. Good to go in that.
And the angle's good?
Yep, front to back test. I'm good. Okay. Can't even move it.
Excellent.
Thank you so much for helping out with our niece's booster seat as well over there, right beside Carmela.
Yeah, happy to do that, and really happy to see that the Demi is in a booster seat, because booster seats are an important transition. You know, she's too big to be in a lot of car seats with harnesses because you told me earlier she weighs 68 pounds, and most of them stop at around 65 pounds. But she's not big enough to be in the seatbelt by itself yet. And so what that booster does for her is it helps to make sure that the seatbelt fits her the way it fits a grown-up.